This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As you can see in the pre-market for April 9th, 2019, ZGNX is called to open lower by about 14 points. Let's take a look at the charts prior to today's open, see what it looked like overnight as of yesterday at the close. Now, if we take a look at the monthly chart as of yesterday, before today's market open, we can see a couple of observations here. On hindsight, of course, we can see that if we go back to this area here where there was a failed breakout, we can see how that was in itself a warning sign of this potential drop. The reason why I bring that up is take a look at the recent monthly closing high from 2018. Notice how over the last 2 months, there has been a failed breakout. And maybe that was also predicting the possibility of lower prices. Now, the other thing also we can do here is go back to this break as the market is about to open here, and we're going to refresh this chart. And there's your opening bell for April 9th, 2019. So what I'm going to do, take a look at this break here. And we're going to draw a straight line showing how the break took place on the RSI. Like that. So what we're going to do, take that information and we're going to draw a straight line, which is what I call a uniformity line. Something like that. Now you'll notice, or I'll show you, that if you take a look at the breakout here above the red line, which is this movement, we stayed above it until we broke down below that area here, which is this movement lower, before we drift to this swing trade down. Now we came back over the last 2 months, we hit this level and we were showing resistance even prior to today's drop. Now keep in mind, the last time we had a resistance with uniform activity on this area was this period here, and take a look at the sizable drop which we got at the time. So what I'm going to do now that the market is open, I'm going to update this chart, and now we can see it is reflecting today's drop right here. And let's take a look at that from a percentage point for the day. For the day, the stock is down about 25%. Keep in mind a couple of things here. We are dropping below RSI 30.9, which means we are going to close towards the end of, or towards the lows of the day. But what I wanted to focus on in this video was that monthly chart. Again, we can see a failed breakout was responsible for this period here. So that was in itself a warning sign that the stock was running out of momentum. And again, I showed you similar to this period here, where we have a failed breakout attempt. And then we discussed this area here where we had a break from 2014. And if you take that resistance here, a break here, and a break here, you get this period, and now this period. Keep in mind, there could be more downside depending on how it closes, but the more the RSI drops below 50 for the month, expect a big down month into the close of the month. And of course, we can always watch this area here, which is the recent monthly closing low, for support. Failure to hold that level would be another red flag. So this recent monthly closing low from late 2018 can be support. Otherwise, bulls don't want this to break down below that level. Also, again, watch at RSI 50. If we drop below RSI 50, expect a big down month into the close of the month. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. And let me show you a snapshot of the market. ESC. I am out. But I shall be back with another video soon. Woo! Yeah.